Hello viewers, welcome to the video series of solid question paper. So 2a question is, show that 2 rho by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 x by y whole square plus y by x whole square for this curve y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. So this question carries 6 marks. So what we need to find is the radius of, here rho is radius of curvature and the given curve is y is equal to ax by a plus x. So the radius of curvature formula is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2. This is the formula to find out the radius of curvature. So for this we need to differentiate the curve first one time, and y2 is differentiate the curve two times. We get y1 and y2, then we'll substitute to this formula, then we get the radius of curvature rho. So we'll reduce it to this form. So consider solution is, let y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. So differentiate with respect to x. What we get is y1. y1 is the denominator whole square a plus x whole square denominator into differentiate the numerator. Numerator ax with respect to x, we get a minus numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator. Denominator is a plus x, differentiation of a plus x is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So y1 is a into a is a square plus a into x is ax minus ax divide by a plus x whole square. So y1 is ax and ax get cancels. y1 is a square upon a plus x whole square. So this is the y1. Next we'll differentiate. So we got y1. Now we will find out y2 by differentiating this y1 with respect to x. What we get is y2 is equal to the denominator whatever is there, we will square it. So a plus x whole square, again we have to square this whole square, denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator is a square is a constant, so it is 0, minus a square as it is, differentiation of denominator is a square, the power is 2 into a plus x, again differentiation of a plus x is 1. So y2 is equal to, so this into 0 is 0, minus 2a square a plus x upon, so what is this, 2 2s are 4, the power of a plus x is 4. So a plus x whole to the power of 2 into 2 is 4. So this cancels with one of the a plus x in the denominator. So y2 is equal to minus 2a square upon a plus x whole to the power of 3. A plus x whole to the power of 3. Now we have gotten what is y1 and y2. So the next step is substitute y1 and y2 in the formula of radius of curvature. Then it reduces to this form. So what is the radius of curvature formula is 1 plus y1 whole square upon whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon y2. So radius of curvature is 1 plus, what is y1? y1 here is a square upon a plus x whole square. So this is y1 is a square upon a plus x whole square to the power of whole to the power of this one upon 3 by 2 upon y2. The value of y2 is minus 2a square upon a plus x whole cube. So we'll write y2 as minus 2a square upon a plus x whole to the power of 3. Rho is equal to, we will take this a plus x whole to the power of, this denominator a plus x whole to the power of comes to the numerator. So a plus x whole cube into 1 plus, so we'll reduce this power and multiply, that is 2 to the 4, a to the power of 4 upon, this is square, so a to the power of x whole to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon minus 2a square. This a plus x whole to the power of 3 goes to the numerator. So what happens to rho is a plus x whole to the power of 3. We will take LCM. LCM a plus x whole to the power of 4 into 1, divide by this into 1, a plus x whole to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon minus 2a square. Rho is equal to a plus x whole to the power of 3, a plus x whole to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2. We will take the a plus x whole to the power of 3 by 2 separately in the denominator. That is minus 2x square into a plus x whole to the power of 4 to the power of 3 by 2. This one we will take the numerator, so that 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6. So that a plus x whole to the power of 6. This cancels with the numerator 2 times. Sorry, 3 times. 6 is 3 times. So this will become, we will send this minus 2 to the numerator, left hand side, that is minus 2 rho is equal to a plus x whole to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 divides by a square a plus x whole to the power of 3. So that is we need to remove this power of 3 by 2. So I'll raise the power 2 by 3, so that this cancels 3 by 2. If I raise the power 2 by 3, so that everything get cancels to become 1 power 1. So raise the power 2 by 3 both sides. 2 by 3. What happens to this is this gets cancelled and a plus x whole to the power of 4, a plus 4 remains. Divide by 2 into the power is 2 by 3, a plus x whole cube, the power is 2 by 3. So here also 3 3 gets cancelled. So what is remaining is 2 rho minus 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3 equals a plus x whole to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 divided by a to the power of 2 2s are 4 by 3. A to the power of 4 by 3, a plus x whole to the power of 2 is remaining, x square. So what is the minus 1 raised to the power of an even number? Even number is 1 itself. So minus 1, this is an even power. So when we raise it to an even power, it gets positive 1. So this is 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3, a plus x whole to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 divided by a to the power of 4 by 3. This is as it is, square. 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3 equals 1 over, I'll take this separately, 4 by 3, and I split this a plus x whole to the power of 4 upon a plus x whole square plus a to the power of 4 upon a plus x whole square. So what we get is 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1 over a to the power of 4 by 3. 2 gets cancels with 2a plus x whole square plus a square. So I'll take square a plus x whole square, so that a to the power of 4 divided by a plus x whole square. Call this as equation number 1. Now since the curve, the given question is show that for this curve, so the curve is y is equal to ax by a plus x. So for this curve, y is equal to ax by a plus x. We'll find out the value of a plus x here by using this. So it is ax by y, and substitute back to ax plus, so that we can remove this term a plus x. So we will take y is equal to the curve itself, and if you shift this to this one, what we'll get is the value of this implies a plus x is ax by y. So the value of a plus x here in equation 1, a plus x term value is ax by y, since because of the curve, the value of the curve is y is equal to ax by a plus x. So what happens to equation 1? Equation 1 becomes 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 1 over a to the power of 4 by 3. We'll substitute a plus x as ax by y. So ax by y, a plus x whole square. So ax by y whole square plus a to the power of 4 by a plus x whole square is a square x square upon y square. So this is equal to 2 rho upon raised to the power of 2 by 3 is 1 by a to the power of 4 by 3. What is a square? I will square this, a square x square upon y square plus, so a square cancels with the 2, so this is a square upon x square by y square. So this is 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3. This is equal to 1 over a to the power of 4 by 3. So I will take this a square as common factor, a square as a common. Here also we have a square, here also we have a square. So I will take it out, and we are left out with x square by y square, x square by y square plus, here the y square goes to the numerator and x square remains as it is. So we will get y square upon x square. 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3, a square upon a to the power of 4 by 3 is, I will take the 4 by 3 to the numerator. So a to the power of 2 minus 4 by 3. So plus becomes minus when I take the power to the numerator. So we are left out with x square upon y square plus y square upon x square. So what is 2 minus 4 by 3? The LCM is 3, 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3. 6 minus 4 is a to the power of 2 by 3 into x square by y square plus y square by x square. So I will take this a to the power of 2 by 3 this side. So 2 rho whole to the power of 2 by 3 divided by a to the power of 2 by 3. Notice that the powers of both are 2 by 3. So we can write 2 rho by a whole to the power of 2 by 3. This is x square by y square plus y square by x square. So I'll write this as 2 rho by a whole to the power of 2 by 3, and this one as x by y whole square, and this one as y by x whole square. This is what we required.